Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to share your blogger post to Twitter automatically. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new post in your blogger account, automatically the same post should be created into your Twitter account. But here the question is how to do this, because there is no direct connection between blogger and Twitter. So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my blogger account and this is my Twitter account. So now I want that whenever I create a new post here in my blogger account, automatically the same post should be created into the Twitter account. So I'll just create a new post over here. I'll just add a title as fourth most powerful country in Asia. I'll add a random description over here. Along with this title and description, I want the image to be uploaded. So I'll just select the image from my system. I'll select the files. Okay, and here let us select this image, India as powerful country. The image is getting uploaded over here and let's click on select. So the image is uploaded. Now let us click on publish and confirm. So here a new post is published. Let us view this post. Okay, and here we can see that the post has been published. Now let us check our Twitter account. I'll refresh it. And here we can find a new post. A new blog is published on my page. Along with that, an image is posted and a URL is posted. So let us open this URL. Okay, and here we are redirected to the blogger account, that is the blogger post. Now here you might be wondering that I just created a new post here in my blogger account and automatically the same post is created over here in my Twitter account also. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Google Blogger and Twitter, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Blogger with Twitter automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first, we are going to create an integration between Google Blogger and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect will capture all the details related to the post, and using those details, a new post will be created into your Twitter account. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Google Blogger and Twitter using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have a free account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as blogger to Twitter integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can find a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the details to be captured from the blogger account. So I'll just open this trigger window and here in the application name, we are going to search blogger. In the trigger event, we have to select new post added. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and connect with Google Blogger. Now here I have to choose an account. So I'll just choose my account. Pabbly Connect Blogger wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, I'll just click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And as I was already logged into my Google Blogger account, here we can see that Google Blogger is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the blog ID. So I'll just take you to my Blogger account, and here we can find the blog ID. So we can see that it is automatically captured over here. Now here we have to select the status. You want the status to be live or draft or scheduled. So I want the status to be only live. So this particular trigger will run only when the post is live. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first let us create a new post into our Blogger account. Just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So I'll just go to the Blogger account, and here by clicking on this plus sign new post, let us create a new post. I'll just add a title over here. So I've given the title as National Energy Conservation Day 2021, and along with that I'll just add a content over here, that is the description. And here I want that along with this title and the description, an image should also get posted. So I'll just select the image from insert image. Click on upload from computer. As I have this images in my system, I'll choose the files. Okay, so let us select this energy conservation image. The image is getting uploaded over here. Okay, and let's click on select. So the image is ready. Along with that, the title and the description is also ready. Now let us click on publish. Publish post, yes, confirm it. Okay, and here we can see that our post is published. Let us click on this view button. Okay, and here we can see that the title, the description and the image is ready and posted correctly. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see that the response is received and all the details related to the post are captured over here. Here we can find the image title, content, image URL and all other details. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. Your data will surely arrive. Okay. So now we want that using all these details, automatically a new post should be created into the Twitter account. So come to this action window, and here in the application name, let us select Twitter. In the action event, we have to select create tweet with media. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and connect with Twitter. Here, as I am already logged into my Twitter account, it is asking authorize Pabbly Connect to access your account. I'll just click on authorize app. Authorization successful, and now the Twitter account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the message media file URL. So if I add the message along with the title and the description, it will be too long just because we have a character limit of 280 words in the Twitter account. So for that, I'll just add a text over here, that is a new blog is published on my page, and I'll just map my blogger URL. So I'll just go to the blogger and let us find the URL over here. So this is the blogger URL. So whenever any of my followers click on this particular URL, they will be redirected to the blogger post. Okay. Now here we have to give the media file URL. So let us map the media file URL over here. That is image URL. Okay, and select the media category as image itself. And let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. Now let us check our Twitter account. I'll refresh it. And here we can find a new blog is published on my page along with the image, and the URL is posted. Let us check this URL. Okay, and here the URL has taken us to the blogger post. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll again go to the blogger post and let us create a new post over there. I'll click on this new post once again. So I've given the title as India has updated the travel rules for the travelers. I'll just add a random content or the description over here. And along with this particular description, I want an image also. So I'll just upload an image from my system. Let us choose the file and I'll just add this traveler's image. The image is getting uploaded over here. Let's click on select. Okay, I'll just maximize the size of this particular image and click on publish. Confirm. So here we can see that the post has been published. Let us view the post first. Okay, here we can see the title, the description along with the images properly posted. Now let us check our Twitter account. I'll refresh it. And here, even after refreshing, we can't find our post over here. Just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. And here after 5 minutes, we can see show 2 tweets. So the 2 new tweets are there over here. And we can find our tweet. Okay, a new blog is published on my page along with this particular image. Let us click on the URL. Okay, and here we are on our Blogger post. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first, we have created an integration between Google Blogger and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details related to the post, and using those details, automatically a new post is created into the Twitter account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Google Blogger and Twitter using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.